Find or read reviews that people are talking about Blintok Smart Watch. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Women-centric health suite. Intelligent cycle tracking plus multi-health monitoring. Designed to prioritize female wellness, this smartwatch features menstrual cycle prediction, integrating real-time heart rate and sleep data for holistic health insights. Receive personalized reminders and wellness tips via the app, empowering users to manage their physiological health with precision. IP68 waterproof and 10 days extended battery life. Our waterproof smartwatch conquer the oceans with military-grade waterproofing, swim-proof/storm ready. Powered by an ultra-efficient chip delivering 10+ days non-stop tracking through surfing marathons or 24/7 health sync. Fashion-forward aerospace design. The women's smartwatch cover by sleek aluminum frame with 1.28-inch AMOLED display, 50+ looks watch faces, smart health alerts for cycles, posture, and emergencies, effortlessly transitions from yoga to boardrooms. Smart connectivity, notifications and music control. This digital watch can sync real-time fitness data with iOS/Android calls, social alerts, and Spotify control, all through a featherlight 35 grams magnetic strap designed for gym sessions and business attire. All-in-one smartwatch and fitness tracker. Monitor heart rate, steps, and sleep with lab-grade precision, featuring real-time health alerts, activity analytics, and smart sleep optimization on a unified dashboard. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.